What if I told you that by this time next year millions of people will still be working part-time jobs, while others will be making the same money, or even more from a laptop using free AI tools? Sounds impossible. That's exactly what most people thought just 2 years ago. But today AI isn't the future anymore. It's already changing how people work, how businesses hire, and how money is made online. Here's the problem. Most people are using AI to ask random questions or write emails. Meanwhile, a small group of people are using the exact same tools to build freelance businesses, start YouTube channels, create digital products, and earn income from anywhere in the world. The difference isn't intelligence. The difference is knowing which tools to use and, more importantly, how to use them. In this video, I'll show you 5 completely free AI tools that can help you build a real online income in 2026, and don't skip the last tool, because it's the one I wish more beginners knew about. Let's begin. A few years ago, starting an online business was expensive. You needed a graphic designer, a writer, a video editor, sometimes even a programmer. If you couldn't afford a team, you were stuck. Today, one person with the right AI tools can do the work that once required 5 different people. But let me be clear, these tools don't magically make money. They're like power tools in the hands of someone who learns how to use them. They can save hours of work and create opportunities that simply didn't exist before. That's exactly what we're going to explore today. Let's start with the first, and probably the most powerful tool on this list. Almost everyone has heard of ChatGPT, but here's what's interesting. Most people only use about 10% of what it's actually capable of. They ask simple questions, get simple answers, and close the tab. The people making money with AI do something completely different. Imagine a local coffee shop owner who wants to attract more customers but doesn't know how to write Facebook ads, or a real estate agent who needs professional emails for clients, or a small business owner who wants blog posts but doesn't have time to write them. These businesses don't need another employee. They need someone who can solve their problem quickly. That's where ChatGPT becomes valuable. Instead of staring at a blank screen for hours, you can create high-quality first drafts in minutes. Then you edit them, improve them, and make them unique. That's what professionals do. Here's something many beginners don't understand. Clients don't pay you because you used AI. They pay you because you saved them time, improved their business, or helped them make more money. AI is simply the tool. You are still the person delivering the value. And once you understand that, everything changes. But writing is only one piece of the puzzle. What if you could take that same script and turn it into a professional voiceover? Without buying a microphone, without recording your own voice, and without spending hours editing? That's exactly what the next tool does. Think about how many videos you watch every single day. News videos, documentaries, finance channels, motivational content, even educational channels. Now here's something that might surprise you. A huge number of those creators never record their own voice. Instead, they use AI voice technology, and one of the best tools for that is ElevenLabs. When it first launched, many people thought AI voices would always sound robotic. But today, some AI voices sound so natural that most viewers can't even tell the difference. Imagine this: you write a script using ChatGPT, you paste it into ElevenLabs, choose a natural voice, click generate, and within minutes you have a professional quality voiceover. No expensive microphone, no soundproof room, no editing mistakes. This is exactly why so many faceless YouTube channels are growing so quickly. But here's the real opportunity: don't just use it for your own videos. Businesses need voiceovers for training videos. Course creators need narration. App developers need voices for demos. Freelancers offer these services every day. The tool saves time, but your creativity and service are what people pay for. And now that you have the script and the voice, there's one thing left: the visuals. Let's be honest. Most people think good design requires years of experience. That used to be true, not anymore. Today, Canva AI allows beginners to create professional-looking designs in a fraction of the time. Need a YouTube thumbnail, a business presentation, a social media ebook cover, a resume, a digital planner? Canva AI makes the process much faster. But here's where most people miss the opportunity. They use Canva only for themselves. Smart freelancers use it to solve problems for businesses. Every local restaurant, every real estate agent, every online coach needs graphics almost every week. If you can consistently create clean, professional designs, you've already developed a valuable skill. Remember, you're not selling a Canva design. You're selling a solution that helps someone attract customers and grow their business. That's why businesses are happy to pay. Now let's talk about one of the fastest growing skills on the internet: short-form video editing. Look around: Instagram Reels, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Facebook Reels. Video content is everywhere. The problem: editing takes time. That's where CapCut AI changes everything. It can automatically generate captions, remove backgrounds, clean up audio, create smoother cuts, and speed up the editing process dramatically. What once took hours can now take minutes. And that's important because businesses don't just want videos. They want videos delivered quickly. Speed matters, quality matters, consistency matters. If you can combine ChatGPT for scripts, ElevenLabs for voiceovers, Canva for graphics, and CapCut for editing, you already have the foundation of a one-person content agency. But there's still one final tool, the tool that connects everything together and opens the door to even bigger opportunities. Now we've reached the final tool on this list, and in my opinion, This is one of the most underrated free AI tools available today. It's called Google AI Studio. Most beginners never even try it because they think it's only for programmers. That's not true. You can use it to brainstorm ideas, improve content, organize information, generate marketing copy, and experiment with powerful AI models, all from one place. Think of it this way: ChatGPT helps you create. Google AI Studio helps you experiment, refine, and discover better ways to solve problems. If you're serious about building AI skills for the future, learning more than one AI platform is a smart investment in yourself. The people who adapt early usually have more opportunities later. Now let's connect everything you've seen. Imagine this workflow. You use ChatGPT to write a YouTube script. You generate a natural voiceover with ElevenLabs. You design a thumbnail in Canva. You edit the video in CapCut. And when you want fresh ideas or different approaches, you use Google AI Studio. That's not 5 separate tools, that's one complete content creation system. A system that one person can run from a laptop. Before you get too excited, let's talk about something most YouTube videos never mention. These AI tools are not a shortcut to instant wealth. If anyone tells you that you'll make thousands of dollars overnight just by clicking a few buttons, be careful. That's not how real businesses work. AI can save time. AI can increase productivity. AI can help you create better work, but it can't replace consistency, it can't replace learning, and it can't replace earning people's trust. The people who succeed with AI aren't successful because they found a secret tool. They're successful because they use these tools to solve real problems for real people. That's the difference. If you're feeling overwhelmed, don't try to master all 5 tools this week. Instead, follow this simple plan. Week 1. Learn ChatGPT and practice writing every day. Week 2. Learn ElevenLabs and create sample voiceovers. Week 3. Design thumbnails and social media graphics in Canva, then edit short videos in CapCut. Week 4. Explore Google AI Studio and combine everything you've learned into one complete project. By the end of those 30 days, you won't just know about AI tools, you'll have practical skills you can keep improving over time. Here's one final thought. 5 years from now, people probably won't ask, "Do you use AI?" Instead, they'll ask, "How well do you use?" AI is becoming part of everyday work, not just for large companies but for freelancers, creators, and small businesses too. The opportunity today isn't about replacing people. It's about learning new skills that help you create more value. The sooner you start learning, the more prepared you'll be for the future. If you found this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe for more practical AI and online income content. And in the next video, I'll show you how a complete beginner can use these AI tools together to build their first freelance project step by step. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.